Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ron and today I'm going to walk you through how to use and dropship products from 1688.com to your Shopify stores. So 1688 is a massive wholesale marketplace just like Alibaba and AliExpress, right? Is a massive wholesale marketplace based in China and offering a wide range of products at a really competitive price, right? So by combining it with the Shopify, you can create a profitable commerce business without holding inventory. Obviously, it's a drop shipping, right? Now, what 688 is and why it's a great source for drop shipping? Obviously, I will just put some light into it. So before jumping into the process, so this is a website of 1688. Obviously, you need to learn Chinese or Mandarin, whatever the language name is, because I'm trying to access this website in English, but unfortunately, you cannot access it for a very longer period of time. So products are often cheaper than AliExpress or other platforms because they are sold directly by the manufacturers. Of course, in the AliExpress and Alibaba, there is always a manufacturer selling, but the 688 is getting popular these days because the product is at a really low cost. Now, there's a wide variety. You can find almost any product imaginable, from electronics to fashion to home goods. Many suppliers allow you to customize product with your branding or design. So by sourcing products from 1688, you can offer unique item at a competitive price, giving your Shopify store an edge in the market. Now let's get started here. Let's go to the store, your Shopify store here. Just go and click on the app section, click on all recommended apps, right? And here you can just go and click on Shopify App Store. You will be redirected to new page here. Now here you will see CJ Dropshipping. Click on it. Now, if you don't know what CJ dropshipping is, I'm maybe you're pretty new in the dropshipping business here, but CJ dropshipping is a way where you can find and source your product at really low prices. It is connected to Alibaba, AliExpress, 1688, and wherever you can just find low product, obviously you will able to find it in the CJ dropshipping. So you have to just go and click on install here, because this is only going to give you option how you can import your product directly to your Shopify, right? Now click on install, and within just few seconds it will get automatically installed in your dropship here in your Shopify. Now make sure you click on login and authorize, right? And if you don't have an account, then you have to use an account here. I'm using Google account to sign in into CJ Dropship here. Automatically you will be redirected here. Now as you can see here, you will find the exactly same price. You can find the exactly same price here, and you can just connect to your store. So that's the best thing, because if you just go to 1688, right, and use the search bar to find the product in your niche, use filter like price range here, and automatically you will able to find the same thing here. Just because of language barrier, I don't use 1688 here. I use CJ dropshipping because that's a way. Now here I can just go to 1688, right, and here I can just start looking for the product. By the way, CJ dropshipping doesn't only give you a website like 1688. It give you AliExpress, it give you eBay, it give you Artabao and QK source, right? Now here you can just go here and click on, let's say I just want to search here pen, right? And you haven't installed the product. Okay, so I just need to install this up. Now automatically you have to just go and click on add to Brave or add to Chrome. You have to add the extension. So let's just automatically in the few seconds it will be added here. Now my plugin has been added, right? Now I can just go and click on search pen here again. I just need to refresh this page. Now it's working perfectly fine. I search for pen here and you can see, right, 6 cents just for a pen, right? And you can just go and keep finding your products. Obviously, I'm sure that if you want to get into it, you have to find a different strategies to find the winning products here. Now, once you are here, you will find an option at the bottom. Just go and click on connect to store. Now click on connect to Shopify here. And within just few seconds, automatically it will be added. Just go and click on authorize, right? And I think we have already did this. We have already installed, right? And automatically you will be again redirected to CJ Dropship, and just go and click on authorize and click on confirm. Okay, so authorization has been successful. Now CJ will help you make dropship business much more easy. Now here you can see, just go to and click on the top left side corner and click on find products. Now you can find products really easily from here. You can contact the some suppliers. So for example, let's say I just want to get into this. Let's say I want a jewelry. Now let's get into the jewelry here, and somehow I like this one, so I will just go and choose this one. Right now I can just select the quantity. Right, I just want for the drop ship or for wholesale, you can choose one of this option here. Right, and once you're okay with it, you can see here D2C sell and earn. So that's a different thing, but anyway, once you have selected the quantity, sell on Shopify, so we have already integrated. If you want to sell it on Temu or TikTok Shop, or there's so many WooCommerce option features here, so you can sell it there. Now ship to US. Now you can select your country where you want to ship your product. Right, and by the way, from here in the bottom you can just go and click on buy samples or add to my product. You can download the image. There's a photo request, so you can just request a specific photo here. Although there's a lot of things, right? So you can just go and check each and everything. That is really easy thing to do. Now once you're okay with it, you can see here you will find the total. Now just go and click on connect. Now you will be redirected to new page here. Now you can see we have got this selected this product. Now I can just go and click on connect. So please pin this. So I guess I need to pin this up. Now let's say if I just go and pin it, and I can just go and click on match. Right, so there's a lot of more features here within just few seconds. Now whenever you just add a product, it will just go to the unconnected section. So you have to make sure that, okay, why I'm just getting notification again and again. So you have to make sure that whenever you select a product, it just go to the connected here. So we can just go and click on add automatic connection. Just go and click on here, and then you can just go and click on add sourcing connections. Now here you can just add post sourcing request. Now you can just add the description and click on request for sourcing. And that's a way to do this. Now this is a cart, so you can just click on select now or purchase the product from here. Right, same goes for here. I can just go and click on same thing. You have to apply the same method. Just go and click on purchase, search for product, and just buy that product. Automatically it will be added in your cart. So this is for the connect, but for some people it might not work. So the best option is just go to the list. So to list it on your store, first of all you have to select your store here. You can just go and click on charge tax, because right now there's a tariff, right? This is a print material. You can just write here vendor everything and just go and click on list it now. Now please enter your store price here. So obviously I just want to go to the home page. Right now here you can just add it up, which is this is a variant pricing, so you have to add the price. So let's say, just for example, I just add here 1000. Click on list it now. You can always edit images and videos and description, right? So this is a way where you can just add your product. Just go and click on find more products, and from here you can just find it. So if I just go back to my CJ dropship dashboard, if I just go to my products here, my products will be show up. Now from here you can directly list. For example, if I just like this product, I can just go and click on list here. Automatically same thing, you will be redirected to new page. You can just edit the variant pricing here. Right, this is the images and videos, a description. Right, you can change each and every information and just go and click on list it now. Now as you can see here, the product is started to show up here. Right, so this is how it actually work, and this is how you can add product. Now if you just go back to your Shopify store, within just few minutes, sometimes it's take a little bit more time to add the products in your collections, right? So as you can see, it has been added, right? And as you can see here, everything is active, and I can just go and view my product on my online stores. If I just go and see here, I can change this everything here, right? There's a lot more features, so it started showing up in your Shopify dashboard. Sometimes it's take a little bit time, so no worries if it is not showing. Now here you can just go and click on edit this up. So just go and click on any section here. You can change the name, you can change the description, images, you can put the images of same size here, you put it under category, color, price, and the SEO, and there's a lot of things, right? It's completely up to you how you want to go. So this is a way how you can just drop ship from 1688 to your Shopify, and it's really seamless, right? And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video very useful, subscribe, and there's a link given in the description. If you're thinking to go on Shopify, you can start your Shopify store just at $1. Thanks for watching.